So every time I see people saying coding is hard, coding is this way, coding is just, especially these top developers, and they're telling people, coding is hard, you need to, I just feel like I should, I don't know, I just feel like I should do something, because guys, these guys have been lying to you all this time, and coding is not hard, coding is not difficult. And if you have the passion, you have the discipline to learn it, then I can assure you that your coding journey will be easier. How? If you're someone who loves reading, and you can read those coding documentations, and you can practice a lot, you are on your laptop always developing projects, there is no single day that you shall say that coding is difficult. But if you're just a joyrider in the coding ecosystem, then definitely you will agree with those people that coding is hard. So when you go out there, know this: coding is not difficult, coding is not hard. It is up to you to take up the spade, it is up to you to take up the shovel and say, okay, coding, I am here to box you up, and I'm here to make sure that I learn you and I understand you. But if you are there for the joyride and you want to show people, okay, hey guys, today I have printed hello world on my computer, and you know what guys, coding is just amazing, then definitely you're gonna give up. So if you want to do something with your coding career, then do this. At least be someone who reads documentations a lot, because when it comes to the coding world, then there is always a changing thing every day. Now tools are changing, different ideas are changing. A language may be written this way today, tomorrow it has added some new features to improve their security, to improve their swiftness, and yeah, so you have to keep up to date. But if you're someone who reads once and then you're like, oh my god, I have gotten everything. In the coding world, we do not repeat things. We learn them every day, because we need to make the coding secure, and we need to make it safe. So guys, I want to assure you this: coding is not hard, coding is never difficult. But if you do think that you can come here and just read once per week, open your laptop once per month, and then try to remember print hello world, definitely you will be the one saying, okay, coding is hard guys, before, and I tried it before, and I was not able to grasp what I wanted in coding, so I gave up. We know there are some difficult languages such as Rust, assembly, but they shouldn't make you think that coding is hard. Now the cheap trick is this: if you think some languages are hard, why don't you learn the easier languages? If you think Rust is hard, then learn Python. If you think TypeScript is hard, then just stick to JavaScript, and it will be easier for you. After you understand them in depth and you understand how the system works, how the syntax works, then definitely you can move on to those difficult languages such as C, C++, and Rust, that take a lot of effort, take a lot of memory, because they kind of do deal with the down level of the coding system. So if you can do that, then you can definitely decide, okay, I'm done with Python, and today I want to learn languages such as Rust and Go. But if you are here and you are starting with C++ because you heard that all the cool kids code in C++, all the tech geniuses code in C++, and so you are trying a language that you are not ready to sacrifice your time and effort learning it, then definitely you're gonna be out of the game as early as possible. So go out there and know your path. Now to start your path, I have a video here on how the first languages that you should learn as a programmer. Now after you're done with it, then you can definitely move on to the next part. Bye bye.